Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Whether you're a makeup lover or just starting your beauty journey, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the art of soft, flawless natural glam, a look that's all about subtlety and enhancing what makes you unique. This look is about enhancing your features, not hiding them. It's about letting your natural beauty shine through, while adding just a touch of polish. It's perfect for any occasion: work, brunch, or a special event. Natural glam transitions seamlessly from day to night, making it incredibly versatile. Natural glam is timeless, elegant, and universally flattering. It suits every skin tone, every age, and every style. The goal? Fresh, healthy, radiant skin that looks like you, just a bit more polished. Think of it as your skin, but with an extra boost of confidence and glow. We'll break down each step, from skin prep to the perfect natural lip. You'll learn how to create a flawless base, subtle definition, and a soft, effortless finish. Think of this as a creative session. No strict rules, just guidance to help you shine. Experiment, play, and find what feels best for you. Makeup is about self-expression and confidence. It's a way to celebrate yourself and highlight your favorite features. We'll start with skincare, move to a smooth base, add a touch of color, define the eyes, and finish with lips. Each step is simple, approachable, and easy to follow. By the end, you'll master the art of natural glam with just a few simple techniques. You'll be able to recreate this look anytime you want to feel your best. Let's celebrate your unique beauty together. Embrace your individuality, and let's have some fun along the way. Ready to get started? Grab your favorite products and let's begin. Don't worry if you don't have everything. Work with what you have and make it your own. Let's make natural glam your new go-to look. You're about to discover just how easy and beautiful it can be. Before you even think about makeup, remember, great skin is the real secret. A flawless look always starts with a healthy, well-prepped canvas. Skincare prep isn't just a step, it's the foundation of every beautiful makeup look. Begin by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup. This ensures your skin is fresh and ready. After cleansing, always pat your face dry with a soft towel. Never rub, as this can irritate your skin. Next, apply a moisturizer that matches your skin type. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or combination, hydration is key for a smooth, supple base that helps makeup glide on effortlessly. Give your moisturizer a minute or two to fully absorb. This step is important. It prevents pilling and helps your makeup last longer throughout the day. After moisturizing, reach for a primer. Primer smooths out your skin's texture, blurs pores, and creates a barrier so your makeup stays put. Pick a primer that targets your main skin concern. Choose hydrating for dry skin, mattifying for oily areas, or glowing for a radiant finish. The right primer can make a big difference in your final look. Don't forget your under eye area. Gently tap on a bit of hydrating eye cream to keep this delicate skin smooth and plump. Prepping your under eyes helps concealer apply seamlessly and prevents it from creasing or settling into fine lines. The best part? This whole skincare prep routine only takes a few minutes, but the results are totally worth it. Think of skincare prep as building the foundation for your entire look. Without it, your makeup just won't sit right. When your skin is healthy and prepped, your makeup looks more natural, feels more comfortable, and lasts much longer. Skincare is truly the secret to effortless, glowing glam, no matter your style or skill level. Now that your skin is prepped and ready, are you excited for the next step? Let's dive in and create your flawless base together. With your skin freshly prepped and hydrated, it's time to create an even, natural base that looks like your skin, just a little more polished. Choose a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer, something that lets your real skin shine through, rather than covering it up completely. Always test a few shades along your jawline, not your hand, to find the perfect match for your face and neck. Start with a small amount of product, blending from the center of your face outward, so you avoid any heavy buildup around the edges. You can use your fingers for a natural finish, a damp sponge for a dewy look, or a brush for more coverage. Pick what feels best for you. Remember, less is more. It's easier to add a touch more foundation than to take away excess, so build up coverage only where you need it. For concealer, use a lighter shade under your eyes to brighten and wake up your look, and a shade that matches your skin for covering blemishes or redness. Tap and blend your concealer gently with your finger or a sponge, focusing on seamless edges so it melts into your foundation. The real secret is to blend, and blend some more. Make sure there are no harsh lines between your foundation and concealer. Go over the edges with your sponge or brush, especially around your jaw and hairline, for a flawless, undetectable finish. The goal isn't to hide your skin, but to even it out. Avoid that mask-like look by letting your natural texture show through. A natural, flawless base sets the perfect stage for the rest of your makeup, making every color pop and every detail shine. You're already glowing. Now, let's add some color and dimension to bring your look to life. On to blush, contour, and highlight. Get ready to sculpt and glow. Time to bring life and dimension back to your face. Use a cream blush for a natural, healthy flush. Tap onto the apples of your cheeks and blend upward. For subtle contour, choose a cream product just a shade or two deeper than your skin. Lightly define under cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. Blend thoroughly. Add a touch of cream or liquid highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and Cupid's bow. Avoid chunky glitter. Go for a soft, pearly sheen. Blend all products well for a seamless, radiant finish. Use your damp sponge to marry the colors together. The result: soft, sculpted, glowing skin that looks effortless. Now your complexion is fresh and luminous. Let's move on to the eyes. Get ready for soft, simple definition. Let's gently define your eyes for a bright, natural look. Start with brows. Fill in sparse areas with a pencil or powder, then blend with a spoolie. For eyeshadow, stick to soft browns, taupes, and champagnes. Sweep a neutral shade over your lid, then blend a deeper shade into the crease. Add a touch of shimmer to the center of your lid and inner corners for brightness. Blend well, no harsh lines. Finish with a coat or two of mascara on your top lashes for an open, awake look. Skip or lightly coat bottom lashes for a softer effect. Choose a mascara that gives you your favorite finish: length, volume, or curl. Simple blended eyes complete your natural glam. Next up, the perfect natural lip. You're almost done. Let's finish strong. The final touch: fresh natural lips. Exfoliate gently and apply a nourishing balm for a smooth base. Choose a shade close to your natural lip color: soft pinks, nudes, peaches, or berry stains. Tinted balms, glosses, or creamy lipsticks work beautifully. For a diffused look, tap color on with your finger. Use a matching lip liner for subtle definition if desired. Fill in lips, or just outline for a polished finish. Reapply as needed throughout the day. Your lips should look hydrated, soft, and effortless. That's the perfect ending to your natural glam. Let's lock it all in for all-day radiance. To make your look last, finish with a setting spray. Mist lightly over your face to lock in makeup and add a healthy glow. Choose a dewy or radiant finish for extra luminosity. Let it dry naturally, no touching. For touch-ups, carry blotting papers to absorb shine without caking. Keep your lip product handy for quick refreshes. A small concealer pen can help with any unexpected blemishes. This look wears away gracefully, so you won't need much maintenance. Natural glam is about celebrating your beauty, not masking it. With these steps, you'll feel confident and radiant every day. Try it out, have fun, and let your true self shine. You've mastered the art of natural glam. Thanks for joining. Stay beautiful.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.